Helpscout. What is Helpscout? It can be scaled like any other help desk and offers a personalized customer experience that will not remind you of email. Helpscout is perfect for all sized companies, but it especially works well with those with 11 or more employees. The clutter-free features keep teams on the same page regardless of size. It's free, with integrated reporting, knowledge bases, and robust API, as well as tons of integrations that allow you to work seamlessly across disparate systems. Scout features are as follows. First, knowledge-based software built for discovery. Reduce your support volume by at least 20% with a knowledge base that's designed for customer self-service. You'll have happier customers and fewer conversations. Everyone wins. Second, build better relationships with messages. Promote new initiatives, update customers on key happenings, and proactively support those who need it by sending messages from Beacon. Third, make every customer feel like a VIP. Helpscout lists customer data, previous conversations, and app activity alongside every support request so you can deliver faster, more personalized support. 4. Keep getting better with reports. Helpscout's reports will do all the heavy lifting for you from day one, no customization required. Don't sweat it. 5. Live chat software for customer support. Provide live chat support, make it easy for customers to find your Help Center articles, or do both, all from the same tool. 6. Help more people faster with workflows. As your volume increases, Helpscout workflows keep you on top of the queue. Use them to automate repetitive tasks and keep response times low. 7. Answer 52% more emails with ease. Bring your team's email into a shared inbox to work together, boost productivity, and build important relationships. Helpscout pricing plans. First standard plan $20 per month. Second plus plan $35 per month. Third company plan $60 per month. There are total 3 benefits of Scout. First, Helpscout provides features that make it easier for customer service agents to streamline their efforts. Second, they offer a Beacon chatbot. Third, party software integrations in addition to their core features: email, knowledge base, ticketing system, live chat messenger. Helpscout integrations. One of the most important factors in choosing software is how well it integrates with existing applications. Helpscout has 75 integrations, in 7 different categories: analytics, communication, customer relationship management, e-commerce marketing support, and utilities. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram.